Ayaw na sa akin ni Angelo, tita. And I know it's because of that stupid, ugly, good-for-nothing, poor excuse of a human being na si Jessa.
That's a lot of insults in one sentence, Cleo.
Tita, I envy you dahil hindi mo pa nakikita yung pagmumukha niya. I'm sure pag nakita mo yung pangit na mukha niya, you'll think na my words are too kind for her.
Well, I'm really sorry to tell you, Iha, that I did what I promised you. Kinausap ko si Angelo, but he's not gonna listen to me. It doesn't look like he's gonna fire that Jessa.
But tita, she's just bad news. If it's not for her, matagal na kami nagkabalikan ni Angelo.
Ay, nako, so what does this mean? You're gonna give up na? You do not strike me like a woman that gives up easily, Cleo.
And I'm not, tita. May shoot kami ni Angelo mamala. And guess what? There's kissing involved. I promise you, tita, pag natikman ni Angelo yung mga labi ko, he'll be mine again. At madidispose ko na yung Jessang yun, once and for all.
Well, Iha, I wish you luck. And I hope you succeed. Keep me posted,
Yes,
ha?
tita.
Gusto ko malaman kung paano nangyari sa kissing scene na yan,
Okay,
ha?
tita.
Make it a good one.
Take care.
Jessa, may kakilala ko may-ari ng maliit na restaurant. Gusto mo ipasok kita doon?
Ipapasok mong waitress to si Jessa?
Sige, ano ba? Hindi ako pwedeng maging waitress.
Hindi naman waitress yung sinasabi kong trabaho eh. Hindi tagaluto. Di ba magaling ka magluto?
Okay lang.
Ito ka na naman si okay lang eh. Pahambol ka na naman. Alam mo naman magaling ka magluto. Tsaka mukhang okay na to sinasabi ni Melchor.
Ano? Kakausapin ko na ba?
Payag na yan. Hindi na yan babalik doon kay...
Jessa,
Anong ginagawa mo dito?
looking for you. Kailangan kita. Please come back and work for me.
Hindi na po siya babalik dahil kay Cleo.
I heard nga kung anong ginawa sa'yo ni Cleo. And I promise na hindi ko na siya hayaang pang makalapit sa'yo. I also made sure na hindi ko na siya makakatrabaho pa. Para hindi ka na ma-hassle.
Angelo, we have to go. Jessa, we need you in our team. Kailangan ka namin ni Angelo.
Pare, huwag niyong pilitin si Jessa kung ayaw niya.
Hindi po namin pinipilit si Jessa. I just want her to give me a second chance. Kasi hindi na ako makakahanap ng kagaya mo, Jessa. Jessa, please come back and work for me.
Naghihintay sa'yo, okay. Narito lang